going to show you how to make 5-minute potatoes. This is almost it's not even a video, but I'm going to show you this because you'd be surprised that everybody doesn't get this. So here's the story, right? Here's your situation. You're fixing dinner, you need a side dish real quick. What do? At the grocery store, get these, okay? They look like this. They come in a package like this and like this. They steam right in here. And then you're thinking, oh, the seasoning, sorry. Here's the thing. People say, oh, the seasoning's in there because they give you these little bags, right? And then you do that and you think, what was that? Let me show you how you hook these up. All right, so I got 2 of them because I have a big family. So I got the ones that have the red baby potatoes, the garden ones, and I got the ones that just have the little plain, which ones are these? They're all just potatoes, okay? Now, I put these in the microwave. Instructions say for 5.5 minutes. Because I put both trays in together, I put it in for 6.5 minutes. I want them to get nice and hot. You don't even cut the film. Now, here I'm taking the film off, and I'm gonna dump them in here. They tell you just sprinkle the seasoning on. Nah, I'm telling you, this is how you hook it up. I love showing you how to make stuff from scratch, and how to do it all, but let's be real here, family. Who has time for that every day? Honestly, I don't. So I'm gonna show you all some of my fun stuff. 5-minute potatoes, and then put these in there as well, just like that. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I'm gonna take their seasoning. One of them is, this one says a combination of cheddar, sour cream, bacon, and chives. Okay, got some butter melted here. All right, we'll go ahead and put that one in. And the other one says, a natural offering of garlic, parsley, red bell peppers, and onions. All right, you say so. And you're thinking, are you mixing them together? Yes, baby. Just like that. Look at that. See that? Okay. Now I'm going to mix this with the butter. Get it all nice and mixed in. There we go. So I don't want these lumps to get on my potatoes. So that's why I'm taking the time to do it now. I'm using about a stick and a half of butter. And look. Pour that over there like that. Okay. All right, take your spatula, and we're just gonna start whipping them around, right? Now, what's this, Lori? Parmesan cheese. Yes, take you some Parmesan, baby. Grated, I recommend grated Parmesan for this. Put that in there like that. And you're doing this while it's nice and hot, so you see these potatoes are coming together beautifully. Then all we gotta do is get out a bowl to serve them in. I didn't get a serving bowl. Hold the line. Bowl, potatoes. Let's also put a nice, good, generous hunk of salt on there too. All right. And, oh, they smell good. Need some fresh black pepper. Okay, give it another good toss. And now we're gonna put these right here. And you're thinking, what about all that extra butter, Lori? Don't worry, I got something for it. Look. I'm gonna do this. I could just pick it up and pour it and dump it in there, which I may eventually do, but I don't wanna mess up my sweater. Y'all knew that, right? Because I always tell you that. I don't wanna mess up my clothes. Okay, now I'm going for the pour. Dump. Look at that. 5-minute potatoes. You have now gotten a gorgeous potato dish out to go along with your meal. Whatever little seasonings they gave you, you use those. And then you, oops, there's 2 potatoes got stuck. Well, excuse me, babies. Just like that. We're gonna top it with some more grated Parmesan cheese. Just like that. Look at that. This is how easy it is, I'm telling you. We don't have time always to cook everything from scratch. I wish we did. But this is the real world, and this is how you have 5-minute potatoes. And then I've got a little fresh basil here. And voila, potatoes a la 5 minutes. I can't wait to get into these. If you're like me, I love potatoes. I just love potatoes. I know it's weird, but look at that. They're nice and soft because they're small, they cook quickly. Looks like I did something, y'all, and all I did was heat these up. Thanks for joining me, fam. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day and happy cooking.